How to check Instagram DMs without opening them. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, scroll your notification bar at the top. You will be able to find it there as well without opening the DM. But if you open Instagram, simply go to your profile, click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen, then scroll down. Scroll down till you find Message and Story Replies. Click on it. And then Read Receipts, which is Show Read Receipts. And then turn this off. After you turn this off, even if you see the message, it won't be shown as seen on the other person. As you can see, I will open this message. As you can see, I have opened now. I will switch the account, and then as you can see, there is no seen button. As you can see, I have already seen the message from the other account, but it is not showing seen. Or another option is go to your profile again, click on three lines at the top right, and then scroll down. Scroll down till you find Account Type and Tools. Click on Switch to Professional Account and switch your account to Professional Account. After you have done that, go to DMs, and after you have seen the message, what you can do is hold on to the message and then click on Mark as Unread. After you do that, it will show Mark as Unread. And this is how to check Instagram DMs without opening them. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or wants to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.